Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be making chocolate chip banana bread, which I've actually personally never made banana bread before. So I'm really excited to make this because this is actually like my most favorite thing in the whole world is like banana bread and banana muffins. So yeah, if you guys want to see how I'm going to make it, then please keep watching. As always, I'll put up the list of ingredients on the screen here, but pretty much the first step you're going to want to do is take half cup of unsalted butter, which is also 1 butter stick, and put it into the bowl. And then you're going to want to take 1 cup of brown sugar and just mix those two together. And once that's mixed, you're going to add 1 large egg into the bowl and mix that all together as well. And you also want to take your 3 to 4 bananas and mash them in a separate bowl and just keep that on the side. And you want to preheat the oven to 350 degrees. So once you do that, it is going to start looking like that. And now the next thing you want to do is take your mashed bananas and add it into the bowl. And you also want to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract into here too. Then you want to mix it all together again. So now you want to add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 of salt. And you want to add it into the mixture and just mix it all together. So now you want to add 1 cup of chocolate chips into this, and then you're pretty much done. So you're just going to add it into the pan, and you can save extra chocolate chips to add on top so when it comes out the oven it looks pretty and stuff, but I used all my big chocolate chips for the mix, so I'm going to use the mini ones that I have left. They're like the little mini ones, and I'm going to top that on the top. And yeah, so everything's done now. Once your oven is preheated, just place it in, and it does just look like this. Right now it looks so good, and you have no idea how excited I am for this because I can't even stress to you guys how much I really do love banana bread. So yeah, once it's out the oven, I'll be back, and it does cook for an hour. So yeah, just check on it around 50 minutes. I would check on it, do a toothpick check, but it's probably going to need 60 minutes. So yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so the banana bread's done, and it is looking like this. And it did take 1 hour and 10 minutes to bake in the oven because the whole outside and perimeter of it cooked and was perfectly cooked at 1 hour, but the middle of it was still very liquidy, so it did need an extra 10 minutes for the middle to get cooked. But it's so good because the outside is a little crispy and the inside is so moist, and it's so yummy. This is such a 10 out of 10. I so recommend it. It is very chocolatey, so if you don't want it to be too chocolatey, I wouldn't add any extra chocolate chips to the top. I would just add the ones that are in the inside. But I did cut this piece in half, but it is just looking like this in the inside, and it's so moist. It legit tastes so good. It's a full-on 10 out of 10, I swear to God. I could eat this whole loaf in a sitting, but I'm not gonna. I might, but I'm gonna tell myself not to because it's so good. And this is it for today's video, and I really hope you guys like this video. I do know that banana bread can be an easy recipe, that a lot of people know how to make it, but I also know that a lot of people don't know how to make it. So I thought I would just do this, and it would just be a quick, fun, easy recipe. So I really hope you guys liked today's video. It was a very simple, easy, quick video, but I thought I would make it because I just thought I would. But yeah, so I really hope you guys can like, comment, share, and subscribe. And like always, I'll be back with another video. It's like 4 in the morning right now, so that's why I'm being a little delirious. But yeah, peace.